Hello, everyone. I'm happy to be presenting our work, a joint training framework for open world knowledge graph embeddings. I briefly present our motivation. In the recent years, knowledge graph embeddings have emerged as a popular way to encode information for a variety of downstream NLP tasks. As knowledge graphs expand, we are presented with new entities, often with their textual descriptions. So applications that rely on KG embeddings require approaches to embed these new entities using their descriptions. We would like any such approach to learn embeddings for the new entities. We want the triple scoring function of any such approach to be efficient and hence also the ranking. We want any such approach to work with a variety of knowledge graph data sets, regardless of the description length. And most importantly, we want our modules to be trained jointly, as recent studies have shown that such approaches have significantly improved geometric properties. Here, we present the overall framework of our method. Chiefly, we have three modules: the description encoding module, the KG embedding module, and the projection module. Our method utilizes a KG embedding loss term, a projection loss term, a cross-domain KG completion loss term, and finally, when our descriptions are short, we encode them by averaging their word-to-vec embeddings and train folk by minimizing this loss. When our descriptions are long, we encode them using the transformer model Roberta. And since transformer models take a while to train, we spread the training out into two phases. Here we present our results. We are happy to report that folk outperforms all baselines across the three datasets, and we obtain an average mean reciprocal rank improvement of 35%. The same holds true when our descriptions are short. And here we also note that the two encoding techniques perform similarly. On the topic of geometric properties, also the embeddings induced using folk are significantly more homogeneous to the pre-existing KG embeddings, as opposed to the embeddings induced using a baseline OWE that clusters separately away from the structural knowledge graph embeddings. We also report two metrics, the eigenvalue similarity and the hubness. And here as well, we note the performance improvement of using folk. Please do stop by our poster session and reach out to us for more information. Thank you.